What's up, Guiding Bolt fans? This is Nick, and today I'm going to real quick show you how to remove the gas tank from a Craftsman weed eater. So this is just a little 17-inch 25cc Craftsman weed eater. I'm going to actually be replacing the fuel line and the fuel filter inside the tank because it's actually snapped off inside of there. And when you go to first take this off, you might kind of be wondering exactly how you get at this, because if you look on the back side, you can see here that there's two bolts that are kind of like holding this in, and it looks like you actually need to come at it from the back side, which almost makes you think that you have to like take this enclosure off right here. That is, however, not the case. If we rotate around to the front here, I already have these loosened up, but there's basically 5 screws that are holding this in. You just go ahead and take out these 4 that are right here in the front, and then this one right here next to the spark plug. And this is a, let's see here, what size Allen wrench is this? Looks like that is a 5/32 Allen wrench that you're going to need to loosen these up, assuming that you're looking at the same model. But basically, you just go ahead and take those 5 off, and then this just kind of slides right out. So gives you access to the back side here. Let's rotate back around. And you can see that we can loosen those 2 screws up and get this off of there. So that is how you do it. Hopefully that helps somebody out, and thanks for watching.